Welcome back, and in this example we have a function f of x is equal to x squared minus 3x plus 4, and we're asked to find f of negative 1. In other words, what this question is asking us is if we replace all the x's in the function with negative 1, what result will we get? So we just simply replace all the x's with negative 1. Now you must do it in parentheses. That's the only thing that you have to be careful about. So the first x, take it out, replace it with negative 1, and that was squared. So the square goes on the outside. Minus 3 times the x is negative 1 plus 4. And then we just work through this like we would in any other case. So negative 1 squared, negative 1 by negative 1 is going to be 1. Remember that when you square negative numbers, you get a positive. Minus 3 by minus 1, we're multiplying here. The 3 is right up against the parentheses, so that's multiplying. So it's negative 3 by negative 1, which is plus 3, and then plus the 4 at the end. So therefore, we have our answer, f of negative 1 is equal to 1 and 3 is 4, and 4 is 8. Okay, and that's all there is to it. Now remember, we're talking about functions here. So the negative 1 would be an element from the domain, and 8 would be an element from the range. Okay? Alright, well that's all there is to it. Very simple and brief.